Welcome to E-MultiSkills video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will see how to locate the server parameter file of MySQL instance on Windows system. So the demo is being displayed on Windows desktop, and we will try to locate the server configuration parameter file for MySQL. The name of the server parameter file is my.ini. So just to showcase how it works, let's open a command prompt and we will try to log in, and we'll see how it is stored. So I'm trying to log into MySQL using MySQL-u root-p. It is prompting for the password. I have feed in the password now, and I'm in the MySQL command prompt. So what I will do is I wanted to see where all my data files are getting stored in MySQL instance. So I'll just say show parameter like datadir. So if I execute this, you can see the variable name is datadir and the value is this. So what is the importance of showing all this is all these things are being stored in the server parameter file, and that is known as my.ini in Windows system when MySQL is installed over there. So what we are going to do, if let's say if I wanted to change the parameter variable value of datadir from this particular location. This is a complete location till data. If I wanted to change it to some other location, I need to have identified the location of my.ini. I have to make the changes in that. Then only I can make these variable value permanent. So what I'm going to do is I need to find my.ini. So in case of the Windows system, the when you install the MySQL, it is installed as a service. It appears as a service in services.msc. So what you have to do is just go to run and start services.msc. So what I will do, I'll just go to run and start services.msc, and it will appear like this. And you can see the MySQL is installed as MySQL 8.0. So I have installed MySQL 8.0. So it is appearing as this. This is the name of the service. And the status is showing as running. Startup type is automatic. So whenever the Windows system will restart, it will restart the service as well. So what I will do is I'll right click on it, just go to properties, and if you read it over, the service name is MySQL 8.0, display name is MySQL 8.0, path to executable. So like from where it is getting executed. So it is, you can see C program files, MySQL server 8.0, bin MySQL d.exe. And after that, there is a default file. So you have to go right on that. When you scroll towards the right, you will see the default file, and this is the name of the server configuration file of MySQL. So it is C program data MySQL server 8.0. So let us navigate till there. So what I will say, either you can open it directly or you can go. So I'll go till MySQL 8.0. And if you have multiple versions installed, it will be appearing over here. In my case, I have installed several versions, what I deleted later on. So it is MySQL 8.0, and there it is, the server parameter file, which is my.ini. So any global parameter which is being displayed in the system is controlled by my.ini. So I can open it. So just go and open it in Notepad, open with the Notepad. So you can open the my.ini file in Notepad, make the changes in that and save it. Anything you wanted to make changes in the server parameter configuration file, make sure that you stop the service, make the changes, close the file, and then start the service. So this is the MySQL configuration file. So it is saying MySQL server instance configuration file, and this is generated by MySQL server instance configuration wizard. So this is the client section. You can see the port is displayed over here, 3306. You can see the data directory location over here. This is what I have shown it from the command prompt as well. So when the server starts, it picks up the information from there, from server parameter file. And if you have to make any changes, you have to stop the services, you have to make changes in that, and then you have to start the services again. So this is the way we locate my.ini. So to locate the my.ini, I'm just going it once again. You have to go to services.msc. You have to locate MySQL service, and then what you have to do is you have to right click the service, go to properties, then you have to go to path to executable. You will not be able to see the location of my.ini. So what you have to do is using the right arrow key, you have to scroll after the default hyphen file to the complete location of. So you can see this is the complete location of my.ini. I just copy and paste it into the run, and you will be able to open this file in Notepad. So you can go through the my.ini. Any changes which has to be made into the MySQL, you have to make the changes over here. Then only it is going to appear over here. Excuse me. I hope this is going to help. Thanks, and thanks for watching.